I posted Sandblaster modification video several months ago, and people were asking me questions regarding the metering valve. So I did a video dedicated just for the valve. The valve itself will not perform miracles. You will need more than valve to make your Sandblaster run efficiently. I saw Sandblaster modification videos on YouTube and wanted to put my hands on upgrade kit from Eastwood, Tacoma, or other companies, but the problem was that either the company that was selling those didn't ship it internationally, or the cost was doubled when one included shipping and handling. On my search for the kit, I came across few websites that this professional metering valve was sold for about $55. Based on this picture, I built my valve. So if you ask me about performance of my valve, here is your answer. It is professional setup. People are asking me if you can build it out of PVC pipes. Well, guess what? A part of this valve on the picture is made out of transparent PVC pipe. Here is your answer. But, as I have mentioned, the valve itself will not be enough. First of all, you will need a volume of compressed air. And I mean volume. Here is my 60-gallon compressor that I use for blasting. This thing is running constantly to keep up. Yeah, I know this setup is stupid. You don't put water separator right behind the compressor outlet. It doesn't catch any water. Pressure regulator, yes, but not filter. But it is what it is for now. Then the air has to be dry. Right now I'm using this air dryer from Canadian company Princess Auto. It holds inside those pellets that remove moisture from the compressed air. Extra outlet for other tools. This is the amount of water I got after 45 minutes of blasting. Imagine that this water gets into your valve. Not good. Another thing is airflow. You have to avoid any obstructions. Limit quick connectors to the necessary minimum. As an example, I connect my pedal not through the quick connectors, but I use those fittings. 1/4 inch pipe thread and 1/2 inch barb. Here you have my Sandblaster in action. And here you have results. For these cast iron brake calipers, I was running aluminum oxide as the media.